Today's event will wake up your soul. Please watch the event till the end. Ramadan is the month of mercy of Almighty Allah and the month of joy for Muslims. But this month does not bring happiness for everyone. For some, it brings sorrow. It becomes a month of pain, just like the tragic incident of a girl from Hamdam, Pakistan. You will be shocked to hear that you can't even imagine why this girl went to the grave dressed as a bride in the month of Ramadan, and how she died. The incident of her death watching the villagers worry. So today's event is going to be very scary and educational. To know the full story, please watch the video till the end. Friends, a girl lived with Parasgar in Hamdam, Pakistan. In the girl's family, her parents even had a younger brother. The brother loved his sister very much. Even the parents spared nothing for their daughter. Whenever this girl wanted something, the parents immediately presented her, crowning the girl on her parents' head. "Why don't you keep the crown on your head?" Because the girl was very pious, and that girl obeyed every word of her mother and father. But most of the Pakistani Muslim girls are pious, and along with that, the girls of Pakistan are always commanded by Allah Almighty, lives accordingly. And that's exactly how this girl was. Friends, let's pray a little. Oh Allah, make us all owners of wealth. Free us from diseases and give us the ability to pray 5 times a day. Everyone write in the comments, Amen. Of course, give this video a like. That girl was loved by her mother and father from childhood because the Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, said, "In whose house a daughter was born, he never troubled her, was not displeased with her, and did not give priority to her son. Then because of that child, may Allah Almighty admit him to paradise." Musnad Ahmad. Also in Islam it is said that the house in which a girl child is born first is blessed and merciful, and that is why the girl's parents raised the girl very carefully, even raised her with love. Whenever the girl asked for something, she immediately gave it to him. The father appeared before her, and the girl became a young woman. And whenever the girl entered her youth, her father and her mother ordered her to veil. And then the girl began to veil, blending in with the environment. Even the girl Almighty performed the 5 daily prayers of the Holy Prophet and began to lead a life according to Islam. Friends, when the girl was following the guidance of Islam with her own eyes from childhood, she became a devotee of Allah from the greatness of God. She had only one fear in her heart, and that is the greatness of God. There was never a time when he was busy in worship. He missed one time of prayer. She used to pray and urge someone else to pray. She even used to recite different hadiths of Allah Almighty to her parents. Their family was based on Hadith Quran. Her parents were very happy to see such activities of the girl and thought we educated the girl with good education, and in this way the girl got admitted from school to college. In college she used to study according to the screen and commute, but on the way many boys disturbed the girl and molested her, but this girl did not care about any of these. Only in prayer she used to pray to Almighty Allah, and she would say, "Almighty Allah, protect me." And in this way, not for a day or two, but every day, the naughty boys harassed her, and that girl was afraid of Almighty Allah. He used to pray near. One day he couldn't see the boy and the girl. One day the girl was going to her house by bus. An old man inside the bus was abusing the bus conductor a lot and saying, "You don't have money, why are you standing? You rent me. If you don't pay, I will drop you from the car now." The old man then said to the conductor, "I got into the car with money, but my wallet was stolen. You take me to my destination. Next day I will give you the money." After hearing this, the conductor heard this. Not agreeing to anything, then helped the girl's elder, gave her some money and said to a contact that this man is your father's age, and don't you know how to treat elders? You are a Muslim and a danger to Muslims. If you don't come, then how are you a Muslim? The old man saw the girl's actions and started praying for her. Not only this incident, but many such incidents happened in the life of this girl. One day her family fixed her wedding day. Today her wedding is going on with great fanfare, festive atmosphere around her. Makeup was given to her after Maghrib prayer. She was dressed in a beautiful white wedding dress. While doing this, Isha called Azan. Then she remembered that her ablution was broken. She told her mother about it. "Mother, I want to perform ablution and perform Isha prayer." Her mother was surprised and said, "Are you crazy? Don't you see that everyone is waiting for you? If you do ablution now, what will happen to your makeup? Everything will be washed away in the water," she said. "I am your mother. I command you not to pray now. If you perform ablution now, I will suffer a lot." The girl replied, "I will not go anywhere from here without praying. You do not know there is no excuse for prayer. Man cannot disobey Allah." His mother replied, "Seeing you without makeup, What will guests say about you? How beautiful you look in their eyes. They will joke when they see you. The girl then said, "Mother, think about whether I am beautiful in the eyes of creation. And what do you think about my Creator? And I wonder if I should skip my prayers, but in my eyes I will not be beautiful." The girl then started performing ablution and started praying as usual, but even then he did not know that this is the last prayer of his life. As soon as she went into prostration, her spirit came out. A Muslim woman went in front of her Lord while she was praying. In front of her, she gave the most importance to prayer. The girl wanted to be close to her Lord and the closest to God in prayer, who is her face. And she didn't care what she said about her dress. What Allah thought of her was on her mind. Ever wondered about the power that lies in the words you utter in prayer? Ever thought about how du'as can transform your daily life? Let's delve into it. Du'as, or supplications, are more than just a religious ritual in Islam. They are a sincere conversation with the divine, a way to seek blessings, guidance, and protection. Imagine having a direct line of communication with the most powerful entity in existence, where you can express your deepest desires and your gravest fears. That's exactly what du'as offer. They are a beacon of hope in times of despair, a guiding light in moments of uncertainty. Du'as are not just about asking for what you want, but also expressing gratitude for what you already have. They are a testament to the belief that no matter how challenging the situation, there is always a ray of hope. Indeed, the power of du'as is unimaginable. It can turn the impossible into possible. Picture this. You're about to start a new venture, or perhaps make a life-changing decision. What's the first thing you do? In the Islamic faith, it's customary to say a dua, or supplication, before embarking on any significant endeavor. Why, you might ask? Well, it's more than just a ritual. It's a profound expression of faith, a manifestation of utter humility, and a recognition of our dependence on a higher power. Imagine standing at the crossroads of life, facing the unknown. It can be daunting, right? This is where the significance of saying a dua comes into play. It's like a spiritual compass guiding you through the labyrinth of life. By reciting a dua, we seek divine guidance, asking for the wisdom to choose the right path and the strength to walk it. But it's not just about seeking guidance, it's also about protection. When we say a dua, we're essentially seeking refuge from potential pitfalls and unseen adversities. It's like a shield protecting us from the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune. And there's more. Saying a dua is also an expression of our humility. It's a reminder that we are not all-powerful, that we do not control the universe. It's a way of acknowledging our limitations and expressing our total dependence on the divine. It's an act of surrender, of submitting ourselves to the will of a higher power. Moreover, it's a tool for strengthening our faith. Every time we say a dua, we're reaffirming our belief in the divine. We're fostering a deeper connection, a stronger bond with our Creator. We're nurturing our spiritual self, feeding our soul with a sense of purpose and meaning. So next time you're about to do something, anything, take a moment, say a dua, seek guidance, seek protection, express your humility, strengthen your faith. Remember, a dua uttered with sincerity and faith can move mountains. So, what benefits do you reap when you say a dua before doing anything? Well, the benefits are profound and deeply personal. For starters, you'll find that it instills a sense of peace and tranquility within you. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, this moment of quiet reflection can be a welcome respite, a sanctuary of serenity in a stormy sea of stress. Beyond this, saying a dua can provide clarity of thought. It's like hitting the pause button on life's frenetic pace, giving you the space to think, reflect, and make better decisions. This can be particularly beneficial when you're faced with a difficult choice or a challenging situation. Moreover, saying a dua brings blessings into your life and serves as a form of protection from any harm or misfortune. It's like wrapping yourself in an invisible shield, providing a layer of spiritual armor that safeguards you from the trials and tribulations of life. In essence, saying a dua before doing anything is like wearing an invisible shield of protection. So, what's the takeaway from our discussion today? We've delved into the profound nature of du'as, unraveling their significance and benefits. In essence, du'as serve as a beacon of light, guiding us through the labyrinth of life. They are a protective shield, safeguarding us from the unseen perils of the world. They are a conduit for blessings, opening doors of opportunity and prosperity. Du'as are not merely words whispered into the wind, they are a potent force, a divine tool that resonates with the cosmos. When we utter a dua, we're not just speaking, We're communicating with the divine, with the very essence of existence. This powerful tool is ours to wield. It's a gift, a privilege that allows us to tap into the infinite wisdom and mercy of the divine. So let us not underestimate the power of du'as. In the end, remember, the power of du'as is not to be underestimated. It's a divine tool that can transform your life in unimaginable ways. Be sure to give a like to the video and to get more Islamic videos regularly. Subscribe to our Islamic channel and press the bell icon next to it.